Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation and setup of the DGDL Series digital glass door lock. Designed for advanced security and modern convenience, this lock is perfect for residential and commercial applications. The digital glass door lock combines sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, ensuring effortless access control. Available in matte black, satin brass, and silver finishes, this lock supports multiple access options, including app control, fingerprint recognition, password entry, and keycards. Follow these steps to install the digital glass door lock. Use the template paper to position the sticky board for the lock body correctly. Remove the screws from the lock body and separate the back plate. Carefully flip the buckle and disconnect the wiring. Slide the lock body into place, aligning it with the sticky board. Secure the lock body using the provided screws. Reconnect the wire to the lock body and reinstall the back plate using screws. Digital glass door locks are available in two installation options: glass-to-wall installation and glass-to-glass installation. For glass-to-wall installation, follow these steps. Drill holes in the wall to create space for the keeper plate. Position the keeper plate properly. Insert screws and secure the plate for a stable fit. For glass-to-glass installation, follow these steps. Use template paper to position the sticky board for the keeper properly. Remove the screws from the keeper and separate the back plate. Slide the keeper body into place, ensuring alignment with the sticky board. Secure the keeper body using the provided screws. Reinstall the back plate using screws. To register as a new user, follow these steps. Touch the screen to wake it up, then press the pound key. Press 1 to enter user management. Press 1 again to add a new user. Select an administrative user type by pressing 1. Enter a password, scan a fingerprint, tap a card, or link a wireless device to complete registration. If you need to reset your digital glass door lock, follow these steps. Ensure the lock is in the power on state. Open the battery cover on the lock. Press and hold the initialization or reset button. Release the button after the voice prompt says, "Clear successfully." The lock will now be restored to factory settings, and you can reconfigure the access methods. To connect your lock with a smartphone app, simply follow the instructions from pages 10 to 18 in our user manual and smartphone application guide on our website. The digital glass door lock is ideal for offices, residential buildings, hotels, and other high-traffic areas. Its modern technology ensures both security and ease of use. Upgrade your space with Grey Goat Hardware's DGDL Series digital glass door lock. Visit ggshardware.com to explore our full collection or contact our sales team today.